Let's make a beautiful sushi box. We've got 6 different types of fish, and this makes for a perfect picnic. First on our bed of rice, we're going to start with the bluefin tuna. This is a lean cut, the akami. I'm doing thin slices. Beautiful. Let's set that on our rice. For decoration, we're adding kizami wasabi. It has chopped pieces of real wasabi in there. Next, Hokkaido uni. This is sea urchin. It's smaller than what you find in California, nice, creamy, and sweet. For the scallops, we'll tear off the side muscle here. Comes right off. We're going to butterfly it, and you know what's coming next. It's going to be a kewpie sear. The roasted kewpie has a smoky flavor. It's pretty good. For decoration, we're going to add yuzu kosho. The spicy citrus will go perfectly here. Of course, the video wouldn't be complete without some salmon. Once again, I'm going to do thin slices, and let's layer that on there. Oh yeah. The decoration for this is going to be grunions and sesame seeds. Next, we're going to add some shiso leaf and going to add some ikura. This is salmon roe. It has a mostly briny flavor with some subtle sweetness. Finally, we're going to do some yellowtail. This is a buttery fish, thin slices again. I think the richness pairs perfectly with jalapeno slices and cilantro flowers. As for the salmon, we're going to add some marigold, has a citrus flavor. This is purely decorational, that's mint. And some arare. That is beautiful. Let's have a taste. Just look how pretty this is. Super easy to make, yet so pretty. Let's have the bite of the tuna. Cleanest tasting sashimi is perfect with a little bit of the seasoned rice. Kizami wasabi is almost like Russian wasabi. It's got that burn, but it also has chopped parts of the green parts of the real wasabi. And that gives it a really nice flavor. A little sweet, a little salty. It's perfect. It's gonna be Hokkaido uni, smaller and more fragile. Very creamy. It's like standing on the edge of the ocean and there's a storm coming and you have the salt wash going in your mouth. It's like that. I don't know if you can hear the baby. She's enjoying watching me eat too. You got a little yuzu kosho, and then we have the rice crackers. Simple, this is the best bites by far. Next is gonna be salmon with grunions, which is green onions. Flour is marigold. It's gonna give it a citrus flavor. Oh yeah. Ikura. Chewing on a thin skin boba, but it's filled with like oceany goodness. Oh yeah. Yellowtail with jalapenos and cilantro is delicious. Nice buttery fish, not fishy at all. Jalapeno gives it that little bit of crispiness and also that spiciness. And those little rice crackers, it gives it a very nice, pleasant chew. Cucumber flour, I'm gonna just eat this one on its own. Tastes just like a cucumber. Whoa. I'm gonna divvy it up, share it with camera woman. All right guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy.